Hello everyone, this is Manmohan from SINOFUDE. Today I will going to introduce about our CLM80 Gummy Candy production line. The production for this gummy line is around 80 kg per hour. So let me introduce one by one about our the kitchen section and then the depositing sections. So let me first start from the kettle. Here we have the kettle, around 150 liter kettle. With the scrapers and the high shearer mixer, you can put sugar, glucose, water and the pectin here. The high shearer and the scraper will help it to mix it well, very fine. And once the material is going to be ready into the kettle, then it will going to be transferred to the cooling tank. This you can consider it as a second kettle or as a cooling tank, where you can also, if apart from the pectin gummies you want to make gelatin, then here you can add the gelatin, because gelatin cannot be mixed at very high temperature. So here we need to lower down some temperature and then only the gelatin can be mixed here. So here also you can see we have the high shearer mixer and the scrapers inside with the vacuum function. And this tank you can see is for hot water tank. And here it's the pump to transfer all the hot water to the piping jacketed. To make sure the syrup which will going to be transferred through the pipe will not get solidified or lose their temperature very easily. So here we come to the cooling tank, the second tank. As I have explained you about the function. Once from first kettle, it will be transferred to the cooling tank. Here you can add the gelatin as well, and then once the gelatin has been mixed here, then it will be transferred to the holding tank. Our holding tank is also have the vacuum function and with the scraper inside. In holding tank, it's just to stir the material so it will not get solidified while it's going to transfer to the depositing section. So here, once the syrup is ready and ready to be transferred to the depositing section, here it comes the CFA system. So through the CFA, color, flavor and acid, you can add it, and with the help of dynamic mixer, it will be mixed and then it will going to be transferred to the depositing hopper. So what's the function? First, the molds will be transferred from here. This is our oil sprayer. First, the oil will be sprayed on all the molds one by one, and after the oil spray, then it will be transferred for the depositing section. Here you can see we are also testing the machine for one of our client. This machine have two hop depositor. So this machine can make single color, double color, center filling, as well as the bottom and the top different color gummies. And this section is the oil sprayer holding tank, and this has the heating function. And it's connected here, as I have shown you, with the oil sprayer. So once the syrup has been deposited to all the molds, then it will be transferred to the cooling tunnel. Here, our cooling tunnel have the chiller as well as the AHU function, which makes sure to easily solidify all the gummies. And once they take a complete turn inside the cooling tunnel, then going to be transferred it here to the demolding section. This is our demolding section. Our demolding section also have the brushes and the air spray, which makes sure for 100% demolding of the gummies. this is the last section, as you can see, to collect all the gummies out of this outer conveyor. And from the outer conveyor, we have the collection conveyor. Then from the collection conveyor, it will go to the sugar coater. This is optional. You can either have a sugar coater or an oil coater. It is totally depend on you. Either you need the sugar coated gummies or the oil coated gummies. So this sugar coater also have the oil function as well. You can see. So through this tank, it will be sprayed inside the tunnel. So at last here you can collect all the gummies out of the coater. These are the mold of this gummy machine. You can see they are the metal molds, and here we have this demolding pins. This is totally covered with the Teflon and easy to be fixed and take it out of the machines, which will take very less time as compared to the nut or the screw type molds. So let me also explain you. This is a chiller for the cooling tunnel. This is of 5 horsepower. One chiller is enough for the 80 kg machine. If higher kg machines like the 150 line, then must need the 2 chillers for it. Now if I talk about the parts, the PLC HMI we use all Siemens brand. And the electrical brands also, we majorly use the Siemens. Here the PLC you can see, the cooking section PLC. And all are the Siemens brand electrical parts. And you can also see how neat and clean we have managed the electrical cabinets. So here if I talk about the materials which we have used here, all the machines contact foot parts are made of SS316L, and the complete frame of this machine is made of SS304. And we also make sure the machine has been manufactured as per the GMP standard, so it can be easily used in any nutraceutical or any pharmaceutical companies, and can meet their compliances easily. So if you have any requirement for our gummy machines, other machines as well, as we do the confectionery, chocolate and biscuit production lines also, and we also customize all the gummy machines or the other machines as per our client requirement and as per the capacity. So if you have any inquiry, please feel free to reach us. We are happy to help you here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.